Introduction. Climate's role in shaping societies. Historical climate events have had profound impacts on human societies, influencing migrations, economies, and cultures. Understanding these events helps reveal how climate has shaped human history and development. The Neolithic Revolution, Climate and Agriculture. Around 10,000 BCE, the end of the last ice age brought warmer temperatures, leading to the Neolithic Revolution. This climate shift allowed for the development of agriculture in the Fertile Crescent. Stable food sources enabled population growth, the rise of complex societies, and the establishment of permanent settlements, fundamentally transforming human civilization. The Roman Empire, Climate and Agriculture. The Roman Empire's expansion was partially influenced by favorable climate conditions during the Roman warm period, approximately 250 BCE to 400 CE. This period saw warmer temperatures and increased agricultural productivity, which supported the empire's growth and stability. Conversely, the subsequent cooling period, known as the Late Antique Little Ice Age, contributed to economic decline and political instability. The Medieval Warm Period, Economic and Social Changes. From roughly 950 to 1250 CE, the Medieval Warm Period brought milder temperatures to Europe, leading to longer growing seasons and increased agricultural output. This climate improvement supported population growth and economic expansion. It also facilitated exploration and settlement in previously inhospitable areas, such as Greenland, though the subsequent Little Ice Age would reverse these gains. The Little Ice Age, Social and Economic Disruptions. The Little Ice Age, spanning from the 14th to the 19th centuries, brought cooler temperatures and harsh winters to the Northern Hemisphere. This period resulted in crop failures, famine, and social unrest. For example, the Great Famine of 1315 to 1317 was exacerbated by climatic conditions, leading to widespread hunger and significant demographic shifts. The cooler climate also contributed to economic downturns and political instability across Europe. The Dust Bowl. Environmental and economic impact. In the 1930s, the Dust Bowl struck the Great Plains of the United States, a severe drought compounded by poor agricultural practices. This environmental disaster led to massive crop failures, displacement of farming communities, and economic hardship during the Great Depression. The Dust Bowl highlighted the vulnerability of agricultural societies to climate variability and led to changes in land management practices. The Medieval Crisis, Climate and Societal Collapse. The 13th and 14th centuries saw a series of climate-related crises in Europe, including the Little Ice Age and severe weather events. These climatic challenges, combined with overpopulation and socio-political factors, contributed to the decline of medieval societies. The resulting instability led to the collapse of feudal systems and set the stage for the Renaissance and early modern period. The impact of climate on migration patterns. Historical climate events have influenced human migration patterns. For example, the end of the last ice age prompted the migration of humans into the Americas via the Bering Land Bridge. Similarly, changing climate conditions during the Medieval Warm Period and the Little Ice Age affected migration patterns in Europe and Asia, as people moved to more hospitable regions or faced pressures from environmental changes. Modern implications. Learning from the past. Studying historical climate events provides valuable insights into how societies adapt to environmental changes. The lessons learned from past climate impacts inform current strategies for managing climate change and mitigating its effects. Understanding the historical context of climate-driven disruptions helps in developing more resilient societies in the face of contemporary climate challenges. Conclusion. The interplay of climate and human history. Historical climate events have profoundly influenced human societies, shaping agricultural practices, migration patterns, and socio-political structures. By examining these impacts, we gain a deeper understanding of how climate has shaped human history and continue to inform our responses to current and future climate challenges.